Good morning. Now we are here in the city of Bangkok. This is first view taken from our hotel balcony, or room balcony rather. See a river flowing mid of the city. You can see some steamers there. In the morning we had a competition of counting number of swimming pools which are visible from here. We could reach to figure of 15. So this is just our first morning in Bangkok. Let's see what's there in store in this city of Bangkok. Mostly we are not here to look for a lot of tourist places. My son Rohan wants to do a lot of shopping on electronics and maybe some dresses, and same is with my wife. Okay, catch you later. Bye bye.